Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flannel Channel. I'm Philip. I'm glad you're here. I'm at a location that I used to be at all the time when I was trucking full time, and I had an opportunity this morning to spend a little time kind of covering some of my tracks that I used to be at all the time and visit some of these old rigs that I miss. I miss seeing them every day, and so I'm going to bring you along with me. I actually made a video of this truck maybe 6 years ago, something like that. I don't know if I even had the YouTube channel yet, but I'm gonna just poke around this old 359. I think it's awesome. I want to bring you along. I'm on private property and I'm on camera, so I need to be sure that I'm not going to do anything that looks suspicious, and we're not going to open this truck up or anything, but let's just look around it a little bit because this thing is awesome. Why don't you come with me? Should be fun. What's kind of neat, I had a conversation with the neighboring shop right next door. He noticed that I was over here taking photos and videos, and he just kind of rolled by and said, I'll save you the trouble. That truck's not for sale. And I said, yes, sir, I understand. I'm just trying to take it all in, and I'm such a fan of old trucks. That's what my channel's all about. And I love hand-painted lettering and pinstriping. And he said, oh, yeah, I love that stuff, too. He said, funny story with that truck. It's really, really rotten. And I said, yeah, I can tell. I can tell. He said, the roof cap is all rusted through. There's water inside, and the differentials are full of pinholes and rusted through. He said, it would take a lot of work to get that thing going. He said, it's got an A-model cat in it. And the backstory is, this thing needed a pump rebuilt on it. So they pulled the injection pump out of the A-model cat and sent it out. In the meantime, the owner fell into some legal trouble and had an extended stay vacation. Wink, wink. Well, when he got back from his vacation, the pump was nowhere to be found. And so here sits the truck rotting away, no injection pump, and rusted through roof, rusted through diffs. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of work for somebody to put this thing all back together, but I hope it happens. I genuinely do. But fun to get a little bit more of the real story on this truck. So anyway, yeah, that's what I learned. I hope you guys understand why I'm not going to open this truck up. Just because, well, I want to be respectful of the truck and of its owners and where it's at. And I certainly don't want anybody getting angry with me because I am on private property and don't want to be accused of trespassing or anything like that. But I just really appreciate these things. And if you're watching this channel, you probably do too. Yeah, that's a cool machine, isn't it? I love it. And you know, if you guys are watching this channel, you probably like stuff like this too. I enjoy just showcasing it, putting my camera in front of it, and if this is the kind of content you enjoy, you'll find more of this kind of stuff right here on the channel. And I'm over on Instagram to @flannel_Philip. So thanks for coming along, you guys. I get to do what I love because you're watching, and I truly appreciate you. I'll catch you on the next Flannel Philip video. Peace and grease.